How to change hair in Asura Roblox. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this detailed video tutorial, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process of changing your character's hair within the virtual world of the Asura on Roblox. The method is quite straightforward and easy to follow. So initially, when you focus on your current hairstyle, you will observe three distinct spikes along with a flat back structure. To initiate the hair transformation, navigate to your character or avatar page. If you're a Roblox player, simply click on the designated icon. Although the hair may appear slightly different in the color within the game, the style remains consistent. Proceed by selecting a new hair option from the available choices in the shop or opt for a previously owned hair design. Once you've made your selection, equip the new hair and then proceed to restart the game. Upon restarting, the freshly chosen hair should be visibly displayed on your character. It is important to note that while the color may not undergo any alterations, the model of the hair will certainly change. Feel free to repeat this process to experiment with other various hairstyles, and any modifications made accurately reflected in Asura if configured with the avatar page settings. I trust that this comprehensive guide has been beneficial to you. For additional tips and tricks, don't forget to show your support by liking and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for sincerely tuning in to this content, crafted with a passion. See you in the next one.